The third and final essential question for Module 2 is emphasizing the routine and structure of the classroom and the natural mathematical and science learning exploration that can happen during these opportunities when we engage children in the routines. This bulleted list begins to hopefully help you start coming up with your own thoughts and connections. The first 4 routines, meals and snacks, outdoors, games, and lining up, are 4 routines we all go through, and they all can hold powerful learning experiences for both math and science. Getting dressed, cooking and food preparation, circle time, block center, dramatic play. When you look at the Kansas Early Learning Standards in math and science for young children at every age, you can begin addressing these academic concepts, addressing those early standards during these routines. That it doesn't have to be special. It doesn't have to be contrived. It's not a separate learning, but just in how we help the child experience and participate in these routines.